Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Spyglass development in up by Tavistock in Jackson. Now what you're looking at is the 6th-floor towers. There are going to be 4 of them, 4 6th-floor towers, and each one is going to have 12 apartment units. So it's going to be 48. The entire complex consists of 61 units. 48 units will be apartments and 13 will be townhouses. So what you're looking at the front there now, that is the townhouses. And then these are the apartments that are in the towers. We're going to have 4 6-level apartment blocks. This is actually a luxury development, mega development going on in Jamaica. One of many, but this one is very nice, full of all the amenities, jacuzzis. Each tower is going to have its own lobby, elevator, and each townhouse will have its own pool. So there you can see what we're looking at now is some of the townhouses. The 13 townhouses that start here and go down and go across. Very nice development. And the best part of this development is the view. Look at the view. That's the Kingston Harbor. You can see as far as St. Catherine. Breathtaking view. They should be finished. This development should be finished sometime this year. And the architect is Virtuoso Architects Limited, and the contractor is AVS Builders Limited. And this is a luxury residential complex. And it's located on Tavistock Terrace. And the real estate developer is Arthur Van Strally. Very nicely done. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. We will definitely give you a drone view the next time we come up here. Alright guys, have a good day.